The worst floods in nearly 4 decades have swamped Punjab province, submerging entire villages, devastating farmland, and fueling fears of food shortages and rising inflation.
The crops that were on thousands of acres have been destroyed. The rice crop we sowed has been completely wiped out. The women and children have been evacuated, but the men have stayed behind to protect our homes, livestock, and belongings. We are compelled to stay to safeguard what's left.
Our homes are submerged under 5 feet of water from the Chenab River. The entire settlement is underwater. Our children are stranded, and we face food and water shortages. Our livestock is struggling, and our crops have been washed away.
These are our 5 houses. One has some belongings left, but the other 4 have been completely swept away by the river. Each household likely lost belongings worth at least 2 to 2.5 million rupees.
As floodwaters continue to rise and rains persist, Pakistan now faces a dual crisis: a humanitarian emergency and the threat of renewed economic turmoil.